Right guys, I got a warning that day on my dashboard saying low battery key, on the BMW. So I bought these batteries. BMW's battery is 2450. If your battery looks like this, your key looks like this, it is 2450. So it's very easy. I've changed this one. I bought two. I changed both of them at the same time, so next time when one reminds me, I'll just change both of them together. I mean, each is like what, 5 ringgit, so it's right, and it's made in Germany, these. So just press this button at the back here. You press this button, you pull this out. This is your mechanical key, and then you see this back plate here. And all you need to do is just to pop it out. It's pretty simple. Just aim for this side here. You can just pop it up, and the whole thing will just pop right out. The whole thing will just pop right out. And this one I've already changed it. You can use a nail filer. You can use a nail filer just like that, and gently just and it'll come out. See? Once it's out, take the new battery, put in, and then snap this back, and you're good to go. Yep. So I just changed my second one. This is the old battery from Sony. Just keep them there. And I need to hear that click. Where's that click? Where's that dreaded click? Dude, why is it not? Is it fully in? Okay, this is a newer key because I bought it after the other one got, yeah. So yeah, done, and then you can use them. Now, for those of you with an Audi key, I mean, it's very straightforward. You have this, you press, and then you take out this one, the mechanical key, and then it is very well built. Can you see this part? See, it's almost like spring loaded. See, at the back you can see the thing coming out. So it's very easy. Just press this in and slowly, firmly pull it up. So it's a bit hard to pull up because the key is very, very well constructed. Way better than BMW's. You have a rubber seal here, and then the battery is here. Anyway, then you plug it back after you change the battery, and you slot this in. Now, for the older generation keys, those where you need to slot the key into the car and press the key itself to start the car, you will not be able to lock and unlock your door after you change the batteries. The key would have sort of erased its code. So what you need to do after you replace the battery, you need to use the mechanical key to open the car's door, and then the alarm will sound, slot it back in, slot the key into the slot, and let the car reprogram the key. Then only you start the car. Then it's reprogrammed. But for the newer generations one, you don't need to. You change the battery, everything will still be there, just like BMW's. And it goes to show how well constructed Audi's keys are compared to this generation of BMW's key. They just feel different in your palms. Lastly, you have Volvo. Now for Volvo keys, it's very straightforward. Okay, unlike, yes, the Audi's one is well constructed. You have that thing where you can press and pull it out, but you need to use some force. Volvo's one is very straightforward. You see, there's front and back. Okay, they separate two things. The mechanical key is in front, and the battery is at the back. So to remove the mechanical key, so all you do is you pull this little lever here, pull it, press the logo a bit, and then it's open. You just lift the case like that, and then you have the mechanical key here. It's very easy to remove, and then you can slot it back. Now, to remove the back cover, you will see this. Alright, pull this, and it will release the sorry, I couldn't get a firm grip. Okay, so again, so you see that? This one, I just pull, and then I push this part up. Just push it up, and then we release this part. See, very easy. And then here is a cover, like a waterproof cover. Just need to use your fingernails, and then you turn, remove the cap, the battery is in there. Alright, pretty easy. So, yep, that's Volvo's key. Something's wrong with my part. And then put it back. It might look more cumbersome, but actually you don't need to use any force, unlike the Audi's key and the BMW's key. Yeah. Cheers.